Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you the last of the videos that I recorded while I was back home in Mumbai. Today I'm going to show you my Methi Bhaji recipe. This Methi Bhaji uses the younger methi or fenugreek plants. Now to make the vegetable today, we're going to use one large onion chopped, about 3 to 4 green chilies just split down the middle. You can use as many as you'd like. I've got one large potato that I've peeled and cubed, and I've got my prepped methi or fenugreek leaves. Like you can see here, they're a very young version of the plant. I've just trimmed off the roots and washed it through thoroughly. I'm also going to use some salt and a little bit of turmeric powder, about 1/4 to 1/3 of a teaspoon. In addition to this, you're also going to need some cooking oil. So I'm going to start off by heating a pan over some medium-high heat, and into the pan goes some cooking oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth. When the oil has heated up, add in your chilies. Now you will have noticed that I've just slit my chilies through lengthwise. Doing this manages the heat level in the vegetable. You still get a lovely flavor from the chili, but it's not as spicy as it would be if you had to chop it up finely. And that's exactly what we're going for here. So I'm just going to stir this around for a few seconds till the chilies have heated through and have infused their flavor into the oil. Then in goes the chopped onions. You're going to saute the onions, stirring every now and then till the onions have softened and you see a little color around the edges. I'm now adding in the turmeric powder. I'd say about 1/4 to 1/3 of a teaspoon, depending on how potent your turmeric powder is, and stir that around to mix it up well. Into the pot now goes in your roughly chopped methi or fenugreek. This is one of my absolute favorite vegetables. A lot of folks don't like methi, but I really love it. This is one way we eat methi in our house. Another way is to use a slightly more mature plant to make methi parathas. If you haven't seen that video already, I'm going to link it up right here so that you can check it out. Stir your methi around so that it starts frying off a little, as well as it mixes through with all the spices and the other ingredients in the pan. At this point, I'm going to throw in my potato pieces. I like to cut them slightly on the smaller side, like you can see here, so that it doesn't take too long to cook and it's ready when the vegetable is done. Stir that around and add some salt to taste. After adding the salt, I like to stir this a little bit and let the vegetables start cooking off. So saute for about a minute and then add the tiniest bit of water. Like you can see here, I've just probably added a couple of tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons worth of water. I'm going to stir that around. All that will do is prevent the vegetable from burning and it'll help the potato cook. Now at this point, I'm just going to pop the lid onto the pan and let this cook off for a few minutes on a medium-low heat till the potatoes are cooked through. After a couple of minutes, carefully open the pan, stir everything around and check and see whether the potatoes are tender. Once your potatoes are cooked, your vegetable is ready. I can see that my potatoes are nice and tender here. Now at this stage, you will notice that there's a little liquid in the pot. If you want your vegetable with a little bit of a gravy like you see here, then you're good to take the pan off the heat right at this stage. I like mine a little on the drier side, so I'm just going to cook the vegetable uncovered on slightly higher heat till the liquid evaporates and I'm left with a dry vegetable like this. And there you go guys, your Methi Bhaji or your fenugreek stir fry is ready to be served. This has absolutely beautiful flavor if you ask me, and goes so well with chapatis, with bread, or even as a side dish with some rice and curry. Such a quick, easy and delicious recipe. I do hope you try it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do share it with family and friends that you think might enjoy the recipe too. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time a new video gets uploaded. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.